Morning, people. Wagwan. So, happy Canada Day, everyone that's live here in Canada. So, this morning is a holiday, so I decided I'm gonna make some porridge. Yes, some porridge. So, the porridge that I'm gonna make today is some peanut, almond, and cashew porridge. Yes, that's my first time doing the cashew thing, but I make peanuts already. I'm gonna make almond porridge already. So guys, stay tuned, me soon come back.
Girl, you better can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Guys, these are all my ingredients I'm going to use to make my porridge. So over here I have 1 cup of almonds, I have 1 cup of peanuts, I have 1 cup of cashew. Right here I have a nutmeg, I have a cinnamon stick, I have my condensed milk, I have some almonds, I have my carnation evaporated milk, I have some vanilla over there, and I have my coconut powder over there. So guys, I'm gonna get down to business. So I don't know what, stay tuned, me soon come back again. I'm gonna blend up my cashew, my almond, and my peanut, and I'm gonna come right back to you. So guys, I have my water and my saucepan right here. So I'm gonna drop my cinnamon stick and make him go and boil up right there. So my peanuts. Now guys, I'm gonna throw in my almonds, throw in my cashew. I'm gonna chop them up. I'm gonna chop up the peanuts, the almond, and the cashew together. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sieve this because you know I blend it, so I chop them up. So I'm gonna sieve it in case any lump or anything, any peanut or any cashew pieces left back. So I'm gonna strain it in my strainer to get a smooth texture right now. And yeah, guys, this is it. So I use my strainer and I sieve it to get out all the pieces, the lump pieces, the pieces of peanut and stuff. So I'm gonna mix it with my evaporated milk, and then I'm gonna add it to my water and on the stove. Guys, I'm gonna pour my evaporated milk in the mixture, and I'm gonna mix them up, let them be smooth, no lumps. You can use if you have like milk, like regular milk, you can use regular milk, you can use water, but I don't really buy regular milk because I don't drink it, so I'm using the carnation evaporated milk. You can use water too. So guys, you see how smooth this is. So I'm gonna add it to my water over there on the stove. So now guys, I'm gonna put it inside my boiling water and I'm gonna whisk it. I don't want it to be lumpy, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna scrape down everything now, waste nothing. So once more again guys, happy Canada Day to all my Canadian families and friends that live in here in Canada. So it's Canadian Independence. I'll add in a coconut milk. I'm gonna stir them up. So guys, I'm stirring, keep on stirring, but you don't want the porridge to get lumpy, so you have to keep on stirring. I'll add in a coconut milk, I'm gonna stir them up. guys, I'm stirring. Keep on stirring, but you don't want the porridge to get lumpy, so you have to keep on stirring. Guys, I'm gonna add some vanilla. I love vanilla, guys. I just love the flavor of vanilla. I'm gonna add some almonds. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg. Point, guys, I'm stirring the porridge. I put in all my ingredients. I put in my nutmeg, I put in my vanilla, my almond, my coconut milk. So I'm gonna just leave it for like 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna sweeten it with my condensed milk. Guys, I'm using my left hand. I don't really use left hand because my hands, I have a problem with my hands in the morning. I have carpal tunnel in my hands. I don't know if you guys know, most of you probably know what that is, because it's when like it affects you, like you do lifting, like you on the computer all day, like you're at work typing on computer all day. It can cause from that, it cause from lifting, if you're lifting stuff, if you're like, it can cause you a lot of stuff. So I have it in my hand, so when it comes in the morning time, my fingers are numb, so I can barely use my hands in the morning, early in the morning. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my condensed milk in, and then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I should put the salt when the water was boiling, but I totally forgot, so I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to it for taste. I'm gonna put the whole condensed milk because I don't normally put sugar in my porridge. I know lots of people, when they're making porridge, they put sugar. I don't put sugar in my porridge because I don't take sugar, even though milk has in sugar in it, but I don't really take sugar. Guys, my porridge is ready. I'm gonna turn off the stove right now, and I'm gonna share my porridge and let you guys see presentation right there. So yeah, early morning porridge. Yeah, no work today, it's Canada Day, and after I finish, I'm gonna go to the rib fest today. I've been eating ribs for a very long time, and it's 2 years since we don't have any rib fest, any festivity for Canada Day, so I'm gonna make use of it. So now, guys, I'm sharing up my bowl right now. I have to clean up the bowl when I finish. You know, so some have to touch the corner of the bowl, but it's all about presentation and cleanliness. You understand? Because I'm a clean freak. Yes, guys, that's the presentation of my peanut, cashew, and almond porridge. Look on that. I'm garnishing with little cinnamon powder on top and a little cinnamon stick. You understand? And look what I have right there. So I have some cream crackers. Yes, Excelsior cream crackers right this sucker. You know, so you can't have the porridge without crushing up some crackers in the porridge, you know. Yeah, you know them things there. If you come from Jamaica or the Caribbean, I don't know which part in the Caribbean they do it, but I know say Jamaican, we do that. Sometimes we crush up our bread and we put in it, but I not too like the bread thing. So I love my little crackers or my tough crackers, and I just crush them up, put it in my porridge. Ah, Jesus peace, man. So guys, enough for me right now, enough for me. What I want to know if you do, just like up the video, share the video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this lovely bowl of porridge right here. So, and if you ever try this one, tag me in it. If you post it on IG, if you post it on YouTube, you can tag me in it. Even TikTok, you can tag me in it. So guys, I hope you all enjoy this video, but remember, put on your post notification so you know each time good upload a video. And please don't forget to leave a comment down below, you know. Please, me tell you, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a share. Yeah, tell your grandfather, tell your grandmother to come over and watch Kissy cook. Yeah, check me out on Facebook also. I haven't posted anything on Facebook for a while, but check me out on Instagram. I have some dishes going on over there. Check me out on TikTok. Yes, me do over on TikTok. I go on with myself, Kissy Unstoppable. Yeah, me do the things them over there. So guys, me go left uno now, cause me go drink my porridge, you know. Me don't know about uno, but me go drink it for me and uno. So until next time, your girl is out.